Hi, it's time for good energy, and I'm Dr. Julie. And today we're back up in the treehouse. Today we're working on day 28, sound, and how you can really pay attention to the sounds around you. Working on mindfulness. We did this, something similar to this. Well, actually, start with our basics. All right. Go ahead and, well, first off, I should tell you, props are outdoors, being outdoors in some form or another. All right, let's go ahead and take our deep breaths in. Deep breath in. And release. Deep breath in, all the way from down the bottom, all the way up into the top of your lungs. Deep breath in. And release. Now think about your gunk. Deep breath in. And release. All right. Deep gunk. Thinking about my gunk left my top of my lungs a little uncomfortable. So today we're talking about actually really hearing things. Back a couple of weeks ago, we did sitting down with your cuppa and having a really good sensory experience in terms of enjoying a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, whatever you had in mind. And today we're going to do the same thing, but with sound. There's a lot less background noise going on wherever you are right now. Fewer people out driving around, and so it's a good time to just sit and listen to what's going on. Now, I'm not sure how much you're going to pick up because of Facebook or because of the headphones, but if I just sit here and listen, what I want to pay attention to is everything that I can hear. Now, I'm sitting next to some birch trees, and I don't know if you can pick it up, but there's a definite rustling of their bark in the wind. I have a wind chime hanging up next to the house, so there's that going off. I can hear the branches going back and forth when they hit each other. And if I actually cast my sense of hearing out beyond the local area, I can actually start to hear things like the interstate going past. I can start to hear other people's chimes, wind chimes. I can start to hear the birds around me. And just allowing myself to actually hear the levels of what's around me. So not just starting with perception of the world right close to me and working my way out another 150 feet and then working out another 50 feet beyond that. And allowing all of this auditory information to come in and hit me and try to put it into its various streams. Because remember, when sound hits us, it hits us all at the same time. It hits the eardrum in the exact same way. And the perception part, the cool thing about the brain is that the perception of our sound, we actually take those sound streams and we break them up into their various components. So we can identify different things. And that action of taking sounds coming in and lining them up into their different components is an amazing capability of our brain and our ability to hear. And we take a lot of it for granted. So if you're looking for how to get out of your head and back into your body, spend a few minutes outside, preferably, where there's a lot more different noises around you, and see if you can track the various streams of information coming in. Now, from the interstate, I can track as a vehicle goes across, in front of me. I can track that. As I track a bird as it flies around me, I can track that too based on its sound. So being able to not just perceive the stream in front of you, but to perceive the streams of sound and the sensory information around you is a pretty cool and amazing thing to do. So if you've got a few minutes, pop outside and see if you can isolate the various streams of information coming into your brain from your ears. All right, that's enough for today. Let's go ahead and take our breath in and calm the body out. So deep breath in and release. Hopefully you've been able to figure out where you're going to do this yourself, and you can pick out the sound streams and you'll calm your body down as well. All right, take care. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.